Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Contents of today's lecture are review of previous lesson, Golgi complex, functions of Golgi complex, recap, and next topic. Golgi complex. Golgi complex is also called Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. It was discovered by Italian biologist Camillo Golgi in 1898, for which he was awarded Nobel Prize. Golgi apparatus are basically membrane-bound organelles of eukaryotic cells. So what is eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cells are those type of cells which have defined nuclei. So these Golgi apparatus are made up of a series of flattened stacked pouches called cisternae. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. It is located in the cytoplasm next to the endoplasmic reticulum and near the cell nucleus. While many types of cell contain only one or several Golgi apparatus, plant cells can contain hundreds. So, at one end of the stack, a new cisternae are constantly being formed by the fusion of vesicles from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This outer or forming phase, cis phase, is convex, while the inner end is concave and is called maturing phase or transphase, while the cisternae break up into vesicles again. In this image you can see the after nucleus endoplasmic reticulum are present and then Golgi apparatus are present. The lipids and proteins which are received from the endoplasmic reticulum to the cis phase arrive in clusters of fused vesicles. These fused vesicles migrate along microtubules through a specific compartment called the vesicular tubular cluster, which is present in between the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. When a vesicle cluster fuses with the cis membrane, the contents are delivered into the lumen of the cis phase cisternae. As proteins and lipids progress from the cis phase to the trans phase, they are modified into functional molecules and are marked for delivery to specific intercellular or extracellular locations. In the final stage of transport through the Golgi apparatus, modified proteins and lipids are stored in the trans-Golgi network and move towards the move into vesicles at the trans phase. These vesicles then deliver the molecules to their larger target destinations such as lysosomes or the cell membrane. Some molecules including certain soluble proteins are carried in vesicles to the cell membrane for exocytosis. So what is exocytosis? Is a process to release into the extracellular environment. Function of Golgi complex. The most important function of Golgi complex is the processing of cell secretions. In many cases, the cell secretions consist of proteins, which we have discussed in previous slide. Golgi complex is also involved in the formation of conjugated molecules like glycoproteins, lipoprotein, etc. The most important function in plant is at the time of cytoplasmic division, which is also known as cytokinesis during cell division. These Golgi vesicles are arranged on the cell equator, fuse together and form a structure called phlegmoplast. Later on, new cell wall is derived from this structure. Now recap Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a membrane-bound organelle found in most cells. It is responsible for packaging proteins into vesicle before secretion. So that is why they play a key role in the secretory pathway. The Golgi apparatus modifies proteins and lipids that is received from the endoplasmic reticulum. These biochemicals leave the Golgi by exocytosis before being delivered to different intercellular or extracellular targets. Protein processing, carbohydrate region of glycoproteins are altered by addition, removal or modification of carbohydrates. Lipid processing adds phosphate groups and glycoproteins to lipid from the endoplasmic reticulum, such as cholesterols, to create the phospholipids that make up the cell membrane. The Golgi complex of the plants and lower invertebrates cells is usually referred as dictyosome. In animal cells, single Golgi apparatus is found in each cell. In plant cells, there may be more. Thank you. Have a good day.